Tell us about your company. What do you do, and in which categories do you operate?
Sure. Teneo is an IT solutions provider. We focus on simplification through innovation for our customers, and we do that in a number of categories. We've developed a framework, we call it our Streamline X framework, which involves all of the technology areas we believe need to be in place to have an exceptional user experience, which is to say that the connections between users and their apps is highly observable, it's optimized as possible, and of course it's completely secure.
What's new and exciting about how you approach cybersecurity challenges?
Sure. Teneo's mantra, if you will, is opening minds to new possibilities. So one of the things I love about Teneo is that we're not tied to any one single solution. It's always evolving as the space evolves. So right now, AI, for example, is a huge innovation that's going on in the industry, and we're eagerly and actively pursuing that, vetting different companies, trying out what they do, seeing who actually can deliver on the promises that they have about AI.
How is your approach different from those of your competitors?
Right. I would say that our approach is in our expertise that we create around the technologies that we've looked at. So by selecting the different technologies, we learn a lot about them, and that allows us to help our customers not only vet all the different solutions to find the one that actually solves their problem, but also allows us to help them with deployments, with even or before that point of proof of concepts, deployments, everything through managed services if they need to. So I would say it's our deep expertise that we have in the technologies and our ability to provide that consultative service to our customers.
What else should we know about your company?
Sure. Well, Teneo is actually has a global footprint. So one of the things that we find is that we feel that we're a right-sized partner for most companies, in that we're large enough that we can work with some of the largest companies in the world. We have offices in Australia and in France, in the UK, and several places in the US. So we have that true round the clock support, for example. We can deploy anywhere in the world, and we have expertise that we can deploy anywhere in the world that we need to. So we have that, but I think what really is something that's important for people to know is that we have a purpose beyond profit that really drives us and what we do, and that is to improve the lives of 1 million children around the world. And we seek to do that primarily through education, and the company basically commits a portion of our revenue every year to building schools in different parts. Right now it's in Africa, for example, and I think we have some number of 12 or so schools that we built there, helping tens of thousands of children. And we believe with education comes opportunity and choice.
Where can I go if I want to know more about what you're doing?
Teneo.net is where you're going to want to go, or you can search this out on LinkedIn, but Teneo.net is probably the best way.